digital transformation is often seen as a key enabler in this circular economy.
Absolutely.
Maybe expand a bit some of the digital tools that you're being helping, or Schneider Electric within the group that you're at, Process Automation, to get on this journey for circular economy.
A great question, Lucian, because I think digital transformation is an enabler to do many things around efficiency, productivity, profitability, and circularity as well. And they all entangled together. So when we take our customer to our own factories and show them how we digitize some of the processes so that the operator can see the waste, for example, in the process, and be able to see in a metric that they can understand that it wasn't visible for them, make the invisible visible. Right. And this is the starting point in terms of change management, right? Change management requires that people really understand why we're doing the change, and then once they understand it, with their human intelligence, with their capacity, they jump on the bandwagon and drive the change.
So you can measure it, you can fix it, you can address it.
Exactly, and it becomes visible to them. So digitization enables this democratization of data, and also bring the tools that could be put in place in order to allow the operator to make decisions quicker. Right? It's not an Excel sheet that they have to fill up anymore. It is not an order, but everything is digitized and connected together so that they can fix what they see faster, and they see the metric and the impact in the next shift, in the next day, in the next week metric results, and they can feel being proud of the process itself.